Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by positioning the scanner and powering it on. Aim so the red laser line crosses the barcode perpendicularly. You want consistent reflectance, not glare. Once done, enable continuous scan or single trigger mode depending on workflow and verify the beam intensity is appropriate for printed versus glossy labels. Make sure the scanner is paired to your host, USB, serial, or Bluetooth, and that drivers or COM settings are active, so the device will send decoded data immediately. Now focus on how detection happens. The laser sweeps across the barcode using a rotating mirror or oscillating element, creating a time-varying reflectance pattern. You watch as alternating dark bars and white spaces produce corresponding dips and peaks in the reflected light. A photodiode converts that optical variation into an electrical analog signal. Next, the scanner's ADC samples that waveform, and the onboard processor analyzes timing and ratios to reconstruct widths and spaces, then matches patterns. Finally, the decoded digits are formatted with any prefix or suffix and transmitted to your host as keyboard input, HID, or serial data. The scanner also verifies checksums to reduce errors. You confirm settings like baud rate or USB HID mode in the configuration if integration issues appear. If a barcode fails to read, try a small angle change and adjust distance or lighting. Make sure the label contrast is sufficient and enable a higher gain or laser power. This single tweak often.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.